Monday. The Bucksport Veterinary Hospital also closed for today. Rabies clinic at Dixmont Town Office from 9 to 10. That's been canceled for today. Carmel Rec Department and the Newbury Rec Department, all games canceled for today. All Winterport Rec activities canceled right through until Monday. Bangor Weight Watchers, all Weight Watchers classes for Bangor, all meetings canceled for today. And the Bangor Symphony Orchestra has canceled their family casual concert for tonight. However, that classical concert scheduled for tomorrow, that's still a go. That should be able to be held now with improving weather. Glenburn Recreational Basketball for today has been canceled. The Orono Rec basketball programs scheduled for today, they have been canceled. That's our list of cancellations, and we'll keep you abreast of what comes in today. We do have people here answering phones, and we'll get through it. It's almost over, huh, Bob? Oh, yeah, almost over.
It's going to help drag in some drier air and put a end to the precipitation that's been happening over the last week or so. Your marine forecast for today, small craft advisory is up. Winds out of the west at 15 to 25 knots, with seas subsiding to 2 to 4 feet. Visibility improving. High tide 8:36 this morning. Low tide at 3:07 this afternoon. Forecast for Eastern Maine next on KISS 94.5. Forecast for Eastern Maine on KISS for your Saturday. Mix of clouds and sun with the best chance of a passing flurry or shower to the north and west. It'll be near 40 for the daytime high. For Saturday night, variable clouds and teens. Sunday, variable to partly sunny skies. It'll be in the 30s with a risk of a flurry. Monday, weak system moving through will bring us increasing clouds. Chance of a snow shower mostly to the north. It'll be in the 30s. For KISS 94.5, this is News Center to meteorologist Steve McKay.
And this has been KISS 94.5 Operation Snow Watch. After the storm, clean your vehicle by choosing one of 4 car wash options. The new totally touchless laser wash car wash at the Ellsworth Mobile Mart. It's open 24 hours a day. Right now, 29 degrees down east, and it is 28 degrees this morning in Bangor with KISS 94.5.
Says they had 30 out of 32 bad cold last night. The pressure is now on to have enough blankets, food, or even flashlights to go around. Elsewhere, a powerful earthquake rocked northern China today, killing at least 35 people and injuring 100 others. The drill damaged buildings near the Great Wall of China, led by